emyaka ejyona irwaro turukumanya n'omuntu ky'orutura rubikire kandi n'oburugo bwetu burukumanywa n'ekigamwa ngo omutumba ogu gukashangwa omu musoro omugomborora ya Kasenda omwaka gw'2007. Aha niho polisi yarahukire kutekyerereza ngo omuntu ogu abaasa kuba yabiire ari Father Anthony Kiza owabuzire omu mwaka nigwe gumwe.
It's not a fresh. You get it? Because of it's dry. Yeah, so yes, exactly. They are bones. So it's not a fresh. It is not stinking. It is not in any way affecting the functionality of the mortuary.
Aha 2008 okwezi kwa mukaga omwaka gw'2007 n'ekigambwa ngo Father Kiza owabiire ari parish priest wa Kamwenje Catholic Parish kandi owabiire ari omukuru w'akakiiko akarikugaba emirimo omuri Kamwenje akaburira omu maka ga Peter Beyungo owabiire ari district councillor aha bw'egomborora ya Kasenda omuri Kabarore. Konka ebyarugire omu kukyebera endangamuntu bikashanga ngo omutumba ogu gukaba gutari gwa Father nk'oku kyabiire nikiteekateekwaho mu kubanza.
Still under investigation. They took off the samples, okay, which were taken for forensic analysis, okay. So they cannot be disposed of until the conclusion is available. But it is not in any way affecting the service of the mortuary.
Dr. Archibald Newton Sebahire urukora nka mukuru w'irwariro nagira ngo umubiri gw'omuntu ogwo bwahati gukahinduka gwaba amagufa kandi nubwo bakibikire. Omwaka gw'2018 tukaba twaganireho n'umwe abakozi b'ibiciro ry'abantu abarikuba bafire ningashiganuka otarenzere kuba hari za kamera zitu owatugizire ngo omutumba ogwo bakasharamu bagusoba mu kivera na bwanyuma bagutomuriza fridge.
Ngenda kuciyayo te kugira ngo tubicire omuntu tawo tubicire omuntu tubecire ebicweka ebiri kuteekateekwa mu nebyo omuntu kandi hakabaho kucondoza nibiyaho itwasire nkadete sampa uko muciga candemo baditwara kucebera kumanya utwanturonda nogu ningatariwe. So ibicweke ebyo nibyo bijyo mwirindiro, okay, tituri kumenya mukama wabyo kandi tihine okubiri kuteganisa irindiro ry'abafuna kati.
Konke cyo kwisena ku no kushanga ngo na za fridge zo kutamwa aba kuba barujiro mu magara gense gituzuru kumara hiru hareri ngo kandi neze zibine tuzuru gukora kurungi ece kizine kubana zikora.
So what we say fridge, a fridge should be that one that can freeze. Okay, so if you do not have a freezer, then you do not have a functional fridge in the mortuary. So the fridge which is available doesn't freeze. So they were going to procure a bigger fridge which will be able to handle not one body but minimum of 6 bodies. Okay, so our expectation is 6 to 12 bodies.
Mukuru w'irwariro rero kuza kugamba hanshonge zombiri no yaba yesro kikorwa abanyamakuru bwanyuma y'abantu kurgayo bakatandika kwetomba itarahamwe kutuyaza internet ahubwo cununke cy'urukurgomo cyare y'irwariro
koshijo nkareba abamahurire bari kugamba ngo akaju kabafu nikashona kubi karemu ibiciro ery'abafu ninyenda kusima government munonga abo kuba twetine fridge ningashi ecoma cyo kutekamo emirambo eri kwasa kumaba neza kumaraho bwire kugira ngo gume etebe ikine erije nanje nafa ari ngo bandi ahubwo nanye ngo nafa ari ngo bandi batafa kuza kundenza obutaka.
Amakoraga gashakwa Jonan Singwire.